Hi, I'm Lynn Perry Parker. I started LPP Law about 7 years ago after working in national law firms, mid-sized law firms, and small law firms for almost 30 years now. I'm doing this because I am a small business now. And like many small businesses, I love what I do, the law. I love analyzing the law. I like knowing the law. I like applying the law and helping my clients avoid problems or deal with their problems as they resolve. I hate the marketing part of being a small business. So I figured this was the best way that I could actually let you know who I am and how I might be able to help you without having to do the kind of traditional types of marketing. I often hear, well, I'm just a small business. I'm just getting started. I don't have any capital. Why do my small startup really need a lawyer? And I would say it's because you don't know what you don't know, but need to know to succeed. And maybe even more nuanced than that is what you may think you know in running your business is not quite applicable, or what you know, how do you apply it so that you can actually use the law or be aware of the law to avoid problems. So what I do for businesses, if you're taking it from a startup, I do startup, I help them grow up, I help them wind up, which would be like the sense of retirement, how to get the value of everything that you put into your business, or when necessary, break up. When I first did my website, which is about a year old now, I didn't have the breakup part of it because marketers, that's not positive. But as I went back and I realized that is a huge part of it, and I like to say now that if you get a seasoned lawyer like myself involved early on in your business, you can avoid the ugly breakup part, because it really is, while I do the litigation, and then quite frankly it is how I make most of my money, that's the expensive part. If you get a lawyer involved in the upfront and become an advisor, I'm an advisor to my clients. I serve small businesses. I'm that HR VP that you can't afford to have in-house. I'm that general counsel that you can't afford to have in-house, and quite frankly don't need in-house anymore, particularly with technology and all those things. I'm available to help my clients as a true business partner without the liability of me being an internal employee. I hope you found the information that I discussed on these videos helpful. If you would like a written outline of the topics that I discussed, I do have an ebook on my website. My website is lpp-law.com. Phone number is 301-444-4513. I love what I do, and I'd love to help your business. Thanks.